Hey guys, here I am on page 133. For 133, you guys, I think, are to do all of it. Give me just 1 second, I will tell you. No, just 133, 1 and 2. So you guys don't even have to do number 3. So, number 1 says, the equation below represents the cost to print brochures at 3 printers. For which equation does the point 20, 60 lie on the graph? Well, this is my x, and this is my y. Same type of thing that we just got done doing. The best way to remember how to do things is to do them over and over and over again, and eventually something does click, I promise. So, I have c equals 15 plus 2.5n. Well, c is y equals b plus x. I'm given my x and my y. So right here, I know that 60 is my y equals 15 plus 2.5x, which is 20. Well, I have 60 equals 15 plus 20 times 2 is 40. Half of 20 is 10. 40 plus 10 is 50. So 60 equals 65. Does this line pass through this coordinate? The answer is no, because if it did, then 60 would be equal to 60. So that's a no. So you're going to do the same thing for 2 and 3. You're going to plug in our x and our y, or x and y, x and y. And remember, when it looks like this, 1.5x, that means 1.5 times x. Okay? So for each equation, give the coordinates of 1 point on the graph of the equation. Well, if you look at this, our y-intercept this one, boom. Our b is our y-intercept. Well, right here, our b is 15. And what does that mean? Our y-intercept. That's our y when x is what? 0. That's all you have to do. You have to figure out which is your b. Which one in y equals b plus mx or y equals mx plus b is your b. And then plug it in, because that is what y is when x is 0. Okay, let's look at this one. The equations below represent the distance in meters traveled after t seconds by 3 cyclists. For which equation does the point 10, 74 lie on the graph? Okay, our x is going to be represented by t, and our y is going to be represented by d. It's the same thing. Y equals mx plus b. In this situation, it's d equals mt plus b. Sorry. All we're doing is looking at where to plug in our t and our d, or our x and our y. So right here, I have d equal to 74, which d is going to be 74 for all 3 of these, because d is our y. Equals 2.4 times t, which is 10. We just take that 10 and we plug it in for t, plus 32. 2.4 times 10 is 24. So I have 74 equals 24 plus 32. Well, right now I have 74 equal to 56. Does 74 equal 56? No, it doesn't. So this equation does not represent these points. However, for the next part, for each equation, give the coordinate of a point of the graph on the graph of the equation. Well, y equals d or D equals MT plus B. D equals MT plus B. So B is our y-intercept, which is y when x is what? 0. That is a coordinate for that line.